Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the double data type. Okay, so let's start by creating a variable called pi, and we're gonna assign the value of pi in this variable, okay, or on this data type. So 3.14159265 35, and we're gonna just type semicolon. Okay, so that's it. And I'm gonna call console.writeLine the value pi value is colon plus pi and semicolon after that. So let's execute. And if you saw the last video, you are going to understand what happened here. So we did that. We just executed, and let's see. So as guys can see, we have more than 6 decimal values on this data type. So if you want to work with more precision, then you should definitely use the double data type, which is capable of handling 12 decimal values, okay, if I'm not mistaken. So that's it. If you want to use work with floating point numbers, you should definitely use the double data type. Okay, so this is the video, guys. I hope you like it, and see you guys next time.